again, welcome back on our YouTube channel, The Passion of Learning English. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the conjunction, which are very important part of English and it help us for a better English conversation. So in this video we are going to learn three things. First, we will try to know what is the definition of the conjunction. Second, we will learn how many parts of the conjunction, and third, we will make the list of the conjunction so that we can learn more in our upcoming videos. Now let's know what is the conjunction. So I have written the definition of the conjunction, that is such words which are used to connect or join two words or sentences together. So these are called conjunctions. इट मीन्स ऐसे वर्ड जो कि दो शब्दों को या दो वाक्यों को आपस में जोड़ दें तो उन्हें हम कंजक्शन कहते हैं. नाउ लेट्स नो हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंजक्शन. सो देयर आर टू पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंजक्शन. फर्स्ट इज कोऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन एंड सेकंड इज सबऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन. सो दीज आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंजक्शन. नाउ वी विल नो हाउ मेनी कंजक्शन which are used in our conversation and which are used in grammar. Now we are going to make the list of the conjunction. So these are the list of the conjunction. Now let's know what are their Hindi. So first word is neither nor. The Hindi of neither nor, it's na to, na to, na, na to na. Next is either or you can call it either or. So the Hindi of either or, या तो या. Next is not only but also. It's Hindi ना केवल, ना केवल बल्कि भी. Next whether or, it's Hindi चाहे या, चाहे या चाहे. नेक्स्ट इज लेस्ट शुड. लेस्ट शुड हिंदी इज ऐसा ना हो कि ऐसा ना हो कि. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड सो डैट. The Hindi of so that is ताकि, और also you can write at the place of ताकि जिससे कि, जिससे also, जिससे कि, और you can write जिससे. So this is the Hindi of so that. Now next therefore. The Hindi of therefore इसलिए. Next word as long as. The Hindi of as long as is like बशर्ते की, बशर्ते की. Next because, that is क्योंकि. Now nevertheless means फिर भी. नेक्स्ट प्रोवाइडेड that is बशर्ते कि. बशर्ते कि. नाउ नेक्स्ट इफ. द हिंदी ऑफ इफ यदि, और यू कैन राइट अगर. Now next word that is while. While. The Hindi of while जब कि. And next word still. Still is फिर भी, फिर भी. Even. Hindi of it यहाँ तक कि. Now next but. The Hindi of but परंतु, लेकिन and per. Next is that. That, the Hindi of that, it means key. Next word is until. जब तक नहीं, तब तक. जब तक नहीं तब तक. सिंस. जब से तब से. नेक्स्ट अनलेस. अनलेस हिंदी ऑल्सो जब तक नहीं तब तक. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड वेयर, जहां, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो कंजक्शन एज. नेक्स्ट वर्ड एज, जैसा कि, और ऑल्सो यू कैन कॉल जैसा. नेक्स्ट वर्ड एंड बोथ, और दोनों. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड एज सुन एज, जैसे ही तैसे. तैसे. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट द हिंदी ऑफ ज्यों ही त्यों ही. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज एज वेल एज. द हिंदी ऑफ एज वेल एज, इट इज और भी. So these are the conjunction and these are their Hindi. I hope you have understood related to the conjunction from this video, and I make you sure that we have only learned only the definition, the parts and the list of the conjunction, but we are going to learn the conjunction briefly in our upcoming videos. So thank you so much for watching our videos.